Let's face it, there are a lot of impressive coders out there. Many of them inspire us with their profound mastery of languages, while others are able to simply blow our minds with the stuff they've created using code. But if there was ever a programmer who could be everything from a controversial social butterfly to an expert on some of the most critical issues concerning our planet, nobody deserves that title more than Elon Musk. Since he is such an attractive subject for conversation, today's video will focus on Musk's journey into programming, his emergence as a business leader, and the individual languages that some of his companies rely on. Elon Musk as a programmer. Born on 28th of June 1971 to a South African father and a Canadian mother, Elon Musk started out as an introverted child. His interest in books and the resulting isolation from the stuff that attracted his peers made him a target of bullying till he was 15. At age 10, his parents Errol and Maine Musk got a divorce. Musk's tendencies to lose himself in daydreams about inventions and revolutionary discoveries were so worrying to his parents that they made him see an ear doctor. At 10, he learned programming on his first computer, a Commodore VIC-20. It was on this that he trained himself to use BASIC, and by age 12 he had designed a functional video game called Blastar. He sold Blastar for a total of $500 to a computer magazine. This marked the beginning of Elon Musk's entry into entrepreneurship. Together with his brother Kimball, he once planned to open a games arcade close to his school, but his parents were quick to snuff out the idea. When he was 17, young Musk decided to move to Canada to escape mandatory military service under the apartheid regime. He also did this to secure U.S. citizenship with ease and access better economic opportunities. He transferred from Queen's University in Canada to the University of Pennsylvania, where he majored in physics and economics. Afterwards, he commenced a PhD in energy physics at Stanford University, but did a U-turn 2 days after the program started. Musk had done 2 internships there already, was inspired by the growing boom in Silicon Valley, and was determined to pursue something in tech instead. In 1995, he started his company Zip2 with $15,000 and the support of his brother Kimball. Zip enabled newspapers to develop online city guides and was later acquired by Compaq for more than $300 million. Musk utilized this money in the creation of X.com, a financial technology establishment. In 1999, a subsequent merger between this company and a rival called Confinity resulted in what we now know as PayPal. Since the payment giant was acquired by eBay for $1.5 billion, Musk has gone on to revolutionary companies like Tesla, SpaceX, SolarCity, and has been recently embroiled in a pitched controversy over Twitter. Now let's talk about his programming languages. The first thing you of course want to know is whether BASIC is the golden language that our video title might seem to suggest. Well, BASIC is not entirely out of vogue today. It has seen a lot of iterations and developments that have transformed it into a stepping stone to more advanced programming languages. It is also well regarded because it is easy to learn. But is it the best programming language to learn in 2023? Musk doesn't seem to think so. The entrepreneur has progressed to mastering new languages since the time he learned BASIC with his computer's workbook. Tesla combines a variety of languages in designing its electric vehicles. These include C, C++, Python, JavaScript, Ruby, PHP, TypeScript, and SQL. Each of these languages play important roles in different segments for manufacturing. For instance, Python, which is most widely used at Tesla, is a great tool for machine learning. On the other hand, C and C++ are older but highly efficient programs that can be used in optimizing software. JavaScript, Ruby, and PHP are deployed in roles that involve web development and application design, while SQL is leveraged for database management. SpaceX. Projects at SpaceX require that the company use super efficient and reliable software. For this purpose, it got C and C++. These languages enable systems to handle the extremely demanding nature of space maneuvers. The C brothers, if you like, are very powerful, scalable, and can manage memory efficiently. Right after them is Python, which the company uses for testing its systems. Everything from its inbuilt libraries to its ease of use are reasons why SpaceX adopted this language. You will also find programs like LabVIEW and Linux. Both have been used in its Dragon and Falcon spacecrafts. Extras you might want to learn if you're aspiring to work at SpaceX include HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, whose web development attributes make them valuable in systems graphics design. Neurolink. Finally, we have Neurolink, a Musk project that intends to help people with neurological injuries operate digital devices. Once again, C and C++ are the choice languages in this realm. Although Musk has faced criticism for using these older languages, they were chosen for their robustness and portability to different platforms. This is where it all gets funny. Elon Musk does not seem to use one language. Instead, he uses several for different purposes. There are numerous speculations on the internet about which is his actual favorite, with some arguing that it is Python. Well, in response to a question on Twitter, the billionaire personally stated that he prefers C. But if you would like to enroll in any of his companies, be sure to master all of the top languages we mentioned here. The fun part? Musk doesn't care for a college degree. Do you think older languages like C and C++ should be utilized in a project that inserts chips in human brains? Leave your thoughts below if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.